Welcome to part 2 of this sketchbook tour. So in my last video I've already mentioned that I wanted to be a confident illustrator, spoken about my background. I flipped through the first sketchbook when I had an inkling I wanted to get into drawing but not really knowing which direction I want to go to. Let's continue with the first year of this sketchbook tour. This one is from May 2020 and this one literally there's like torn pages out of it. And this is because I literally use this as a notebook, but my mark making with my feelings just continues over here. Literally pen to paper, how I'm feeling, jot it down. Playing with shapes. This is still back in 2020. Franad, like figuring out what it is that I like about her work. Oh, Furry Little Peach, again, figuring out why do I like her work, like what are the shapes. All in discovery of myself. These were some sketches that I had for a project that I was working on. Oh my gosh! Anyone who followed me on Twitch, this is where I was sketching those ideas for. These are some initial drawings that I made to communicate to the baker what I wanted on my gender reveal cake. I'll link that video up here if you're interested in seeing that. Some more projects that I was working on. So those parts are notes, but then if I turn the sketchbook around, this is actually part of a reference later on down the year. Some random collage over here. This was for a bullet journal idea, and like I think the rest are like just notes and stuff. Okay, I will come back to these pages later, but that's the sketchbook done. So this is my Draw Every Day, Draw Every Way sketchbook. I've actually done a video for each month if you want to check them out. I started this, I don't know when, because I didn't put dates on it. It's just so embarrassing and cringy. So 2019, this is when I started to dive into like, what is it that I'm so drawn to. Like I kind of restarted it, but then I went traveling and then I came back because of COVID. So lockdown, I was literally focusing on this. By having like the materials listed and the prompts, this is still influenced by the book and not purely me. And I need to find what's purely me, you know? There's so much growth in this sketchbook because from here to like towards the end, like here, look at the tiger and then look at the bees. Like drawing every day helps, everybody. Like this is kind of like the proof in the pudding. It got me through COVID. I was able to connect with like lovely people whilst I was doing this sketchbook, and it kind of like confirmed that this is something that I really enjoyed and what I wanted to continue doing. I've literally got 2 chapters left of the sketchbook and then it will be completed. This book has really helped me overcome the endless possibilities syndrome, like overthinking about things, the overwhelming feeling. And as a total beginner, I just wanted to start drawing. I knew I had to be open-minded, so this prompt book literally did just that, and I just used the materials that I had around. I am going to be continuing the sketchbook tour in the next video. In the meantime, if you want to see more details and my progress in this book, check this video out. See you in the next one. Bye!